Hello, hi family, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm glad you are back. If you are new here, my name is Delphine. On this YouTube channel we share worldwide opportunities. Welcome to the family. I'm glad you are here, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more content, for more videos related to school, scholarship, remote jobs, worldwide opportunities, also in business. Yes, how to make money online. In today's video we are going to talk about affiliate marketing program. If you don't know what is Amazon affiliate marketing is, I'll be sharing with you what is it. I have my computer with me right now. I will be sharing with you what is it. Yes, in this video I'm going to share with you what is affiliate program, different affiliate program available, requirement to join that program, Amazon affiliate program, and how to get started in general, the goal and the expectation there, and then pro and cons. Then I will share with you the tools that can help you to succeed in this program. Starting with what is affiliate program. Affiliate program, also known as Amazon affiliate, is a program where you promote people's product. Yes, you go to Amazon and choose product where you want to promote. I'm using Amazon because it's very popular, but anything that you want to promote in certain brand, you got to choose any product, you promote those products, and then they will give you a commission. Yes, what you have to do is to go to Amazon, you choose the product you want to promote, post it somewhere. If people click that link, you earn a commission. Okay, that promote businesses, product or services in their audience in exchange of their commission. So this is a great way to make a passive income, especially if you have online presence. Again, many businesses offer these affiliate programs. Yes, not all of them, but especially e-commerce, because they need clients. Okay, so for you, what you have to do is to promote their product. What are the popular affiliate program? We have Amazon Associate, eBay, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten Marketing, and so on. We have also this other popular program where you can promote the product related to specific niche. Like niche is a kind of area of like your focus. If your focus is on fashion and beauty, you can use this Share a Sell. Another one is CJ Affiliate. Another one is Awin. Awin is related to technology and software. Flex Offer is related to health and wellness. If you see some people promoting things in fitness product, for example, those people who promote those fitness, if you have like sport tools that they can use, they can promote those products. Okay, they can use this Flex Offer to promote that health and wellness. Yes. What are the requirements to join Amazon Associate? Yes, Amazon affiliate program, you have to have 18 years old. Again, you have to have a website where you can post. Not only website, guys, you can use your IG, your Facebook, your TikTok account, Snapchat, anywhere you can go to post and promote that product. Normally, if you are on Instagram, you might find some pages are related to sports. Only sports, guys, you can see that they are promoting the tools to wear. The example of the things where you can go to IG and Instagram account and see people promoting that so much is that where you can see women are promoting these decoration items. They can go to their house and start filming everything in their house. They don't do nothing. All those women, they are doing this affiliate marketing. They are doing this affiliate marketing businesses because they go to the IG, they only present their houses in a good way so that people, they get interested to follow them. When they click on the IG bio, they will be interested to buy the things online. Okay, so if they go to buy those products, those people earn a commission. Another thing, if you see some people presenting maybe sport clothes, all those things, they promote these other brands and they earn commission. Yes. Again, you must have a valid tax identity. You must have an account. I will show you how to create an account step by step on this Amazon customer account, and then you have to agree on their Amazon Associate Program agreement. They have agreement there, and it is very sensitive. You have to read very carefully because they can kick you out if you don't go as they want. who can do this program? Yes. What are the location? You might think, okay, the thing we can see people on Instagram, they are earning all those money. But you might think, okay, well, how can I earn all those money? I'm in Africa, I'm in India, I'm elsewhere, you know. How can I do that? I think those things are for Americans or someone who is in those countries, but no. I'm telling you the truth. These things, you can do it anywhere in the world. That's why I'm sharing with you right now. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and create, if you have maybe Instagram account, or you can create a YouTube channel, start promoting a certain product. For example, I see women on the YouTube channel, they promote maybe air fryer. You can see people are cooking every day, they film how they cook into air fryer. A little bit steps, but still, people who want to buy air fryer, they might go to YouTube channel and be interested to know how to use that air fryer and be interested to buy. If people click their link, they earn a commission. That's it. As simple as that, guys. Okay? Let's see the pros of Amazon affiliate program. This Amazon affiliate program, it has a huge product section. They have so many products, 1,000 and 1,000. And then this is a very well-known brand where most people want to buy through Amazon, especially people in the United States or elsewhere. Again, it is easy to use. Their program have a very good website where you can go and ask questions. If you meet some challenges in your program, they are there. Also, it's easy to navigate there. Again, they have different commission rates. Not all product has the same commission. I'm gonna show you the commission rate table and you see which area are you interested with. They have a wide range of promotion tools such as banners and white gates. Let's see the cons of this Amazon affiliate program. They have a very strict rule. If you go out of it, they can terminate your account, okay? So be careful in these guidelines, community guidelines over there, okay? So they have threshold payment method. They have like a certain minimum payment method, okay? You have to reach a certain number to withdraw your money. Another thing, they have low commission rate. There are other brands, guys, which has a very high commission rate. And also they have short cookie duration where they can say if people click that link in 24 hours, you can earn if they buy anything on Amazon within 24 hours. Yes, for example, other companies or other brands, sometimes they give 3 days, but on Amazon it's only 24 hours. Yes, on 24 hours, if people click that link and buy anything, not only the product you are promoting, yes, anything that they can buy on Amazon, even if they buy a lot of things, maybe the things which cost $1,000, you can earn the commission to all those products, okay? So you can see how it's very good. You never know who can buy, but if they don't buy, you will not earn anything. So as you see on your screen, this is the table of commission rates. You can see the things like Amazon Games has 20%. Another thing which has a high commission rate is things like luxury and beauty things. As I said, on Instagram, women are sharing videos related to this kind of luxury beauty, luxury store beauty, Amazon Explore, all the things. They have commission rate of 10%. If people buy things like $1,000, you will get like $100. So it's not bad, because what you do is just you can earn something. You can sleep and wake up in the morning and find $100 is on your account. Remember, this is anywhere in the world. Regardless where you are, guys, you can do this, okay? Yes. The things which has a very, very minimum commission rate is things like Amazon Fresher, video games, healthy and person care, anything related to gift card. Those things has a very minimum commission rate. I'm going to share with you the tips. What are the tips to succeed in this? Because you don't have to do anyhow. There is strategy to do this. You have to choose a right product in your niche. You have to select something. If you are on IG promoting maybe things related to fitness, Focus on that. I don't want to come in your page and find something related to beauty. You see that your account is not well organized, and then I will not be interested to follow you on that page. Again, create high quality content. You can see how people on Instagram, on YouTube, they create a very high quality content. Again, promote products relevant to your audience. You have a focus on the sector where you want to promote. Another thing is that disclose your affiliate status. Okay, be transparent about your relationship with Amazon, including clear disclosure statement. What you have to say in the description box or wherever you are putting your link. Let's say if you are on Instagram, you can put a comment that I will earn commission if you buy this in your bio, you know. Again, track and analyze your performance. You have to know how is it going. You have to visit day by day your account, and then diversity your income stream. You don't have to focus only on Amazon affiliate program. There is other program that you can join and start earning that commission. Let's see the advertisement strategy for this Amazon affiliate program. I explained how you can use Instagram, how you can use YouTube, but also a very important tool that can help you to succeed in this is to create blog website. Yes, blog website is out there, and you can have this free access for blog website. I created a content where I shared with you how you create a website for free. Yes, it is there. You can create a free website and start uploading your link over there. The link I will show you how to get that link on the Amazon account. Okay, create a tutorial and guidance. Show your audience how to use the product. If you are promoting a juicer, you have to use that juicer so that people be interested to buy that juicer. Okay, again, collaborate with other freelancers. Know the strategy, how they do it. Okay, utilize paid advertising. You can see many people pop up in your video telling you that they have special things to show you. They can teach you for free. They can do this and this. All those people, they might have this a kind of affiliate program they are promoting. Okay, take advantage to seasonal promotion. Let's say on Black Friday, let's say, or Prime Days, you know, all those products which are trending, you can use that opportunity to promote those products, and you can get a lot of sales. Okay, this is the conclusion that I can give you right now, is that this is a very good way to increase your passive income. This is very possible in all countries, regardless where you are. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Rwanda, if you are in Kenya, if you are in India, wherever you are, guys, my advice here is that after creating an account on this program, you have to go and organize your IG. Yes, if possible, create a new Instagram account, create a new TikTok account. If you are ready to join YouTube channel, you can join YouTube channel. Start creating content related to that product you want to promote. Okay, so good luck, guys. I wish you a very good luck, and remember to share with your friends. We all want success, because all these things that I shared with you, people charge a lot of money, to like 1,000 and 1,000. I saw one Nigerian lady, she were charging $500 to share these things. Only that, guys, only this knowledge that I'm sharing with you right now, they charge a lot of money to learn this, because also joining the program you will earn. I'm not limiting you, guys. You can go and pay some money and learn more about it, no problem with that. But also you can explore this website by yourself. Start understanding. At least start. If you earn something, you will invest and learn more. Okay, guys, I wish you all the best. If you have some question, write in the comment. I will be happy to help you. I will be happy to answer you in this journey of success. Okay, let me know which country you are watching from. I will be happy to give you a shout out in the next video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Good luck and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye bye. This is their official page. You can see there is affiliate program, amazon.com, and then freelancer. You can sign up here. How do I qualify for this program? You can see we accept the application for all type of freelancer, provided you have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok account, and so many more. If you you are applying using your Instagram or Facebook account, you are required to use business account. This is very important, guys. I didn't mention that in the presentation. This is the table. Also, there is another table. You can take a look here. So I don't want to spend a lot of time here, but in short, guys, go and explore everything here. You will be able to understand. They have a very simple website. If you click here, home, this page will show up, and then you will start creating Amazon account. You will put your name, create an account, put your name, put your email, and then create an account. Let me go ahead and fill up all my information. I'll be back to show you the next steps. After filling all the information, now you are on this page. Here you will enter your website. If it is your TikTok link, if it is your YouTube account link, if it is your Facebook account, if it is your Instagram account, you can copy and paste this link here and then add and then enter, okay? You can add as many as possible, okay? And then click next. Then you will confirm if you agree to all the terms here. Are your website visited by children under 13? So you have to say no and then confirm. What is your preference associate store ID? Yes, you can put your ID name. If it is your name or displayed on your Instagram account, you can put it there. If it is your YouTube account name, you can put it there. What is your website or mobile app about? So here is what you can focus right now. So make sure you describe everything needed on this location here by explaining what you do on your website or on your Facebook account or wherever. Okay? The more you give more details, the more you will be approved easily. And then which of the following topic best describe your website and or mobile app? This is the most important things, guys. You can choose which direction you want. You can choose all, there is no problem with that. Or you can base only maybe digital or books or, handle health or beauty, anything sport. You can put everything you want. And then what type of the website or mobile app you have. You can put here blog. It's better to put blog. They really believe in blogs here, So because even if it is your Facebook or whatever, choose blog right now and keep going. And then traffic and monetization. Be careful here on traffic and monetization. You have to choose SEO, search engine optimization. You have to choose these two, search engine optimization and blog. Yes, they don't like this kind of advertising or anything paid ad or something like that or email. No, choose only these two. Even if you'll be advertising you pay your ad and everything, no problem with that. But for you to be approved, you have to choose these two, okay? How do you utilize your website and app to generate income, Then you can answer maybe Amazon Associate is the only way you have. And then how do you build your link? You can put blog, you can put maybe, whatever it is, but they really like blogs, okay? They will not come to verify, but they will verify the link you provided above. And then how many people who can visit your website here? At least try to tell them that you get between 500 to 5,000, not less than 500, guys, okay? So that will be approved on this program. Then what you have to do is to submit, okay? Now let me show you how you can get a link so that you can copy and paste to your account. Then you can go here. Say you have been approved to this program. You're gonna go to your app and then you will see the link here on this location where you can see text. Yes, text image and text image. So click above get image and then you will get your link and then copy and paste on your social media platform. This is the step-by-step how you can apply to this program. I wish you a good luck, guys. Bye bye, see you in the next video.